Welcome to the module on well control methods. Today we will learn about circulating well control techniques, driller's method, weight and weight method, concurrent, and reverse circulation, and non-circulating well control techniques, volumetric, bold heading, lubricate and bleed, lubrication. Circulating well control methods are often referred to as constant bottom hole method as they keep BHP equal to FP, preventing additional influx fluids. Common circulating well techniques are driller's method, weight and weight, concurrent. These all use the same procedures and only differ when and if the kill weight will be circulated. A well is very rarely killed by one circulation due to inefficient fluid displacement in the annulus. Regulating pressures. Bottom hole and surface pressures may be a combination of several factors. These are formation pressure, hydrostatic pressure, circulating friction pressure, choke pressure. While shut-in or circulating a kick with pump at a constant reduced circulating rate, pressure is regulated by choke manipulation. Choke adjustments must be made to maintain proper circulating pressure. Choke adjustments depend on the frictional properties of different fluids that go through it. Choke response, liquid flowing gas. Choke operator must also anticipate rapid increase in choke pressure. If the choke pressure is not immediately adjusted back to prior value, the pressure increase may lead to lost circulation. Circulating, pump, and choke, casing, pressures are closely related through the U-tube. Any changes in circulating rates will affect the entire well. Record pressures, volumes, pit gains and choke adjustments. Commonalities for circulating methods. When kick occurs, shut in the well. Once pump is at kill speed, and casing is at its SICP value, record circulating, pump, pressure. Let us have a look on driller's method action sequence. The driller's method. It is the most common method in use today. Good for gas kicks with high migration rates that may result in shut-in problems. Also used to remove kicks that are swabbed in during a trip out of the hole. It is used when no weighting material is necessary or available. It is also used when personnel and/or equipment is limited. More time to kill the well is needed in these methods than the other methods. It may cause slightly higher pressure in the annulus than other methods, due to lack of additional HP from kill fluid in initial circulation. Weight and weight method. It kills the kick faster and keeps wellbore and surface pressures lower than any other method. It requires good mixing facilities, full crews, and more supervision than most other methods. The first calculation in here is to kill fluid density. Fluid weight is increased before circulation begins, hence the name, weight and weight. Startup procedure is same as driller's method. Calculations required for kill fluid density, ICP and FCP, volume/strokes/time surface to bit/end of string. Pressure chart. Total volume or strokes or time for complete circulation. Pressure limitations. Concurrent method. This method is sometimes referred to as the circulate and weight method or slow weight up method. Additional calculations are required when tracking different fluid weights in the string at irregular intervals. Reverse circulation. It is reversal of normal circulation or normal well kill pump direction. In reverse circulation, due to friction, APL, ECD, most of the circulating pump pressure is exerted on the annulus. Standard startup procedures apply. Advantages. It is quickest method of circulating something to surface. Gets the problem inside the strongest pipe from beginning. Generally, annular fluid is dense enough to maintain control of formation, which reduces fluid mixing and weighing requirements. Disadvantages. Higher pressure is placed on formation and casing. Excessive pressure may cause fluid losses or casing and/or formation failures. Not applicable for uses where plugging of circulating ports, bit nozzles of string are possible. Gas-filled or multiple densities in tubing may present problems establishing proper circulating rates. Volumetric method of well control. The volumetric method is a way of allowing controlled expansion of gas during migration. With a swabbed-in kick, the volumetric method can be used to bring influx to surface and then replace the gas with fluid in order to return the well to normal hydrostatic pressure. It is not used to weight up and kill the well. Situations where volumetric methods can be used are when string is plugged, string is out of hole, pumps are not working, string is off bottom, During stripping or snubbing. A shut-in period or repairs to surface equipment. Tubing or packer leak causes casing pressure to develop on production or injection well. Bulkheading. Bulkheading or deadheading is often used as a method of killing wells in workover situations. Bulkheading is only possible when there are no obstructions in the tubing and there can be injection in the formation without exceeding pressure restraints. Bulkheading involves pumping back well fluid into the reservoir, displacing the tubing or casing with a good amount of kill fluid. Lubricate and bleed. Lubrication. It is used when kick fluid reaches the wellhead. It is considered a continuation of volumetric method. Generally, workover operations more commonly use the lubricate and bleed technique because circulating ports in the tubing are plugged, sanded tubing or circulation is not possible. In this method, fluid is pumped into the well on the annulus side. Enough time must be allowed for fluid to fall below gas. Volume must be precisely measured so hydrostatic pressure gain in the well can be calculated. This value increase will then be bled off at surface. Thank you for learning with us.